It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Try to knock this box out before I put this, right after I put the steering column in. You know it. Real quick. What's up, man? We live. Hey, it's kind of warm out here, but it's cool. It's cool in here, man, because, you know, I got the light off and everything, but working on it, see, cleaning it up, man. I just had one person come see it, literally come. This don't really happen. That's why I'm like, what? Like, I think I got the car price too, though. I got it at $1,400. But vacuum and all this stuff, clean up the lines. So I think the brakes do work, but they just snip one, like, I guess brake hose or brake lines, something rusted out. That's what I'm guessing, but the brakes do work. That does need to be repaired though, not by me. About to get this latch together and get all these. That's the power ground, ignition, starter, oil pressure, all those together. And it was the tack. I don't know what that was running to. The green wire coming off the HEI distributor. Got the cooling and everything together right there. Somebody had cut that line. This AC line need to be replaced. I think like all that stuff actually worked. Cause it don't really look too bad. Like seriously, you know, a lot of people won't believe me. But yeah, y'all see I got the column. Well, no, I'll put that on Instagram. But I already had this column. I bought this when I bought the car, and then I just changed the key. I broke the turn signal, cancel the piece that the horn go to, because I want the horn to work like kind of inspectable thing. But I'm just gonna take this one bolt out right here. It's right there. That one bolt off the column, and then it's like all the way on my box Chevy. It was like 10 mils, and then you got a chunk of harness here, chunk of harness there, chunk of harness there, one underneath, then 2 bolts holding it up. Just pull it all the way out. But yeah, so if I can get it out from there, up there, I'm gonna have to just do it down here. It's pretty simple. Yeah, just one bolt, and then pull it all the way out. If I rather do it from the top, it'd be faster. About to do some snipping and connecting and blah blah blah. I'll probably paint this if I have it long enough, and I drive it. If I drive it, do that. Thinking about drilling out the trunk just to see what's in there. Might have something in there. Get all this bird doodle off. But yeah, pretty sure the radio wiring works. Don't know if it got speakers in it. The windows are manual. Other than that, just dirty MC. Got an old car smell. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my music going and then just keep working. Try to get as much as I can done so I can have it like ready for show when people come. Cause like I put it yesterday, it got 500 views in this small little city, and then like 6-7 people contact me. One person came through, insane. It came all the way. You know, a lot of people want you to meet. Y'all can get together, but he came all the way. I said it ain't ready yet, but I just posted it because it take me forever to sell stuff. Like this supposed to be sold, the Cadillac's supposed to be sold, blah blah. But he came all the way over, checked it out, just heard it run. Said, yeah, I'm coming back, man. Just let me know when you're done. I want to test drive. All right, back, cool, that's cool. But yeah, just gonna keep working, get what I can, and then jump on that 300 tonight, hopefully. But yeah, I gotta get this out of this spot right here because 18 wheelers coming around. They need this space. So anyway, I'm doing that too. I got this box I gotta make for somebody. I do all jobs inside, like small jobs, don't matter, like headlight, whatever somebody need, man. I tried to get it done because that's how you like keep that consistency with people. And as long as they see you consistent and fast and get it done, they'll spend the money with you. And my numbers is like so low that you can't really argue. My numbers are so low, but I don't really do it to be charging. Like I said, I don't work for free, but I don't be doing the prices off of like what somebody else charge. I just do it for what I charge or what I think I charge for. You know what I'm saying? So I don't be trying to bust nobody's head. Got it out, new one in. I just gotta wire it up. But yeah, man, it definitely looks like somebody tried to steal this. I don't think the owner did this. That's all you need to start it. Everything else is for turn signals, horn, blah blah blah. But I'm going to hook up everything right now and see if we can start with the key.
'05 Chrysler 300. Gonna change out the head gaskets on it. Already took the intake off. Just gonna do one side at a time for right now, just so we don't lose anything. But I'm gonna take the coils. I already loosened these bolts up. Remove the coil packs. Take the valve cover off of it. Then we should be exposed to the bolts to remove the head actually from the block. But it's gonna be 14 bolts. We take the cover off all together. Got the valve cover off. There's 12 screws on the outside and the 2 in the middle. Easy to forget about. I forgot about them until I went to yank it up. Those 2 in the middle. We got it off. You can see where that water was mixing with the oil. You see the milky right here in the corners of the valve cover. My goodness, man, just look at this. Look how caked on, how burnt that oil is on it. This is terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. Crazy, the cleanest part on here is the inside of the chain is the cleanest part on here. But you can see how milky it is right here, right on top of the chain. And the crazy thing is this motor was still churning, still running.
Alright, so I got everything done that I need to get done for today. So I got 2 hours, so go ahead and start on getting the 6.5s in the doors and all the speaker wires ran through the jams. Notice an electric door, so we can run it through that. So I'm about to go and get that started, and then can't put too much out there, but I'm about to show y'all something, man. It's gonna be smooth. This door hinge piece is down there. I gotta find some screws for it, and I actually forgot how to take them off, so that's why I'm still stuck on this back door. Like, dang, how take it off again? But I know it was like some clips or something, and something. I don't know. I'm finna figure it out though.